Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active VPN with leak protection and a device updated to the latest OS and Snapchat. Once confirmed, sign in to the VPN app and pick a nearby server to minimize latency. Select TCP or UDP as your provider recommends. Make sure to disable any system proxies or manual VPN configs first so the client can set routes properly. Now connect and watch the VPN status until it reports secure. This is your first actionable step toward Snapchat access. Once connected, configure DNS leak protection and enable the kill switch so Snapchat traffic always uses the VPN. If Snapchat is blocked, enable obfuscation or stealth mode. This helps bypass deep packet inspection. Change transport from UDP to TCP if you see frequent disconnects. TCP is more reliable through restrictive networks. Then open Snapchat and perform 3 quick tests. Sign out and back in, view a story, and send a chat. Make sure your IP and DNS checks show the VPN's address, not your original one. To finalize, force stop Snapchat, clear its cache, and then relaunch while the VPN remains connected. This ensures Snapchat picks up the new network route. If you still see errors or location flags, switch server regions or change protocol settings. Small differences often fix registration or content loading problems. As a last resort, reinstall the VPN client or Snapchat, but first toggle the kill switch or switch between TCP and UDP. This simple step resolves most persistent connectivity and leak issues without full reinstallations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.